In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF document into a Google Sheet in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to analyze data, collaborate with others, or simply have a more organized spreadsheet, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. First, let's begin by using a PDF to CSV file converter. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is the format we'll need for importing data into Google Sheets. Head over to an online converter like Zamzar, which is widely used for this type of task. Once you're in the converter page, hit the Choose Files button. Here, you'll select the PDF file that you want to convert. A useful tip is to ensure your PDF is well structured with data arranged in a table format. This ensures better conversion accuracy. After selecting your file, go ahead and click the Convert Now button. This action will initiate the conversion process. Importantly, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as the upload and conversion speeds can vary based on the file size and connection strength. Once the process is done, a download button will appear. Click on it to save your CSV file to your device. Now that you have your CSV file ready, let's move to Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. If you don't have an existing spreadsheet where you'd like to import your data, create a new one by accessing Google Sheets from your Google Drive. Once you have your spreadsheet open, locate and click on the File menu at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Import. A new window will pop up, giving you several import options. Click on Upload, and this will prompt you to either drag your file into the window or select Browse to navigate your folders and select the CSV file you just downloaded. Finding your file should be fairly simple if you saved it recently, as it should be in your Downloads folder or whatever location you opted to save it earlier. After selecting your file, you'll be presented with a couple of import options. Choosing Create New Spreadsheet will open your data in a fresh sheet, perfect for starting some analysis or organization. Alternatively, you might choose to click Insert New Sheets if you're looking to place this data alongside others in an existing spreadsheet. Finally, hit Import Data, and that's it. Your data from the PDF is now fully converted and ready to use in Google Sheets. You might want to take a moment to review how the information has been positioned within the sheet, ensuring all data points are correctly aligned with individual cells. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring your PDF data to life in Google Sheets, enhancing both usability and collaboration capabilities.